of my favorite things to make with honey are smoothies because honey is a natural sweetener and a healthier alternative. So here I'm going to be making a banana strawberry smoothie. So I have my banana, I'm gonna add my strawberries. That's a lot of strawberries. Then I like to add chia seeds. I go with my heart on all measurings. Then I add my honey. I'm gonna add a real good squeeze. Then I put some orange juice and some milk. Sometimes I will add yogurt, but this time I'm not. Next, I'll come over to my blender and, well, obviously blend her up. And there you have it, the perfect strawberry banana smoothie. Another great thing to make with honey are dog treats. I will be making baked dog treats. So I'll be starting with whole wheat flour, 1 cup of peanut butter, then 2 tablespoons of honey. We'll be adding in 1 large egg and 1 cup of water. Now I'll be going to the stand mixer. Now with the dough, I'm going to be flouring the surface and then rolling out the dough. Then from there, I'll be making cookie shapes and placing that on my cookie sheet. So here are the cookies, and they're going in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Here's what they look like.